Discovery is a technical name for the process that involves both sides giving important financial documents or other documents that help other party better assess what they will be asking for or what they're entitled to. Discovery requests are usually handled through the attorneys and directed to each respective attorney, and can include a request or notice to compel documents, where they usually set aside the exact documents that they're requesting. This can be financial documents such as mortgage statements, annuity statements, any investment accounts, any health insurance information for the kids or for the respective parties, valuations of any current real estate or any interest holdings that either party might have. It can also include certain conversations, can include any prenuptial agreements if applicable, can include, if the parties have been separated for a time, the spouse's most recent tax return or most recent pay stubs that the other party didn't have access to due to the separation. It's basically just to make sure that things are kept fair between the parties and that the attorneys or the judge can establish certain parameters such as child support or alimony with all things considered. So in terms of the exchange of discovery, New Jersey courts typically prefer broad disclosure. This means that in a discovery request, one attorney will propel the other side to answer various questions, usually of the financial variety. However, just because someone asks for it doesn't mean that we are required to give them those answers. There's various exceptions that as a law firm we can use to protect you from having to disclose what you believe to be is too extensive. For example, if one party asks for the last 10 years of financial and earning statements, however, your marriage only lasted 3 years, we can object to that request because it's not proportional to the needs of the case. Having a well-versed attorney is important, especially if you want to reduce any financial liability you have to your spouse. Discovery isn't just administrative. It can be extremely strategic to your case. An attorney can treat discovery as a way to gain a strategic advantage over the other side and not as a burden. It can use it be as a weapon. In fact, it can often, especially early on in the case, used to be control the narrative. It can also be used to definitely show when the other party is concealing certain assets, or it can show certain things that the other party didn't want to reveal. A lot of the times, the bank statements or the receipts show a version of events that's far different than what the other party is saying to the judge or to opposing counsel. If you have any questions regarding discovery or how an attorney can help you streamline and object to any discovery requests you find to be too burdensome, please do contact Next Chapter Family Law.